How to upload Canva design to Google Drive. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about how you can upload any Canva design that you have on Google Drive. So let's say I have this Canva design. Okay, I created this in my Canva. Okay, it's a basic logo that I made. So if you want to go ahead and upload it on your Google Drive, what you're going to do is you're going to click on share. Okay, and once you click on share, you get these options. So you have social, you have save, you have messaging, design. So you're going to come to save and it's going to say Google Drive and you're going to click on connect Google Drive. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to sign in whatever Google Drive you have on your Gmail account. Once you do that, you're going to allow it. And what that does, it is going to be connecting your Google Drive with your account. And what that does is it starts saving your work into your Google Drive. So yeah, that is pretty much about it. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. If you enjoyed it, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.